Before we get to the main abandoned explorations of this video, we're going to first view a couple north and southbound sand trains on the Delaware-Lackawanna's Carbondale main line. Alright guys, we're here at Peckville, Pennsylvania. We're here exploring some of the old coal routes in the region that are abandoned. We're at the Hilltop Haven sign. This is where a crossing used to go on the old Winton Priceville branch. Not sure if it was like Erie or D&H, but the crossing would have crossed over here. The tracks ran down that way. But we're gonna go explore and see if we can find anything through there. So stay tuned. Alright, so here's the top of the sign, and as you can see here, here's where the tracks would have originally ran through. And now it's just this access point in the middle of the woods. And we'll see if we can discover stuff. So this track, we believe, curved around Archibald and went towards the landfill up in Troop, Pennsylvania. And here we already found some old ties here. The wooden tie plates that used to be used. So there used to be a couple coal mines in the area, and this is one of many tracks that used to deliver coal to the mines via steam and diesel locomotives. Okay, so we're more down here, and as you can see, it's just a big embankment, but I'm thinking this was the old Erie Railroad. But when all the railroads went bankrupt, Conrail took over. This line was one of the lines found to be unneeded. They ripped all the track up, and it doesn't look like there's much left. You could definitely tell the railroad got washed out, because this, if the railroad ran on a section like this, it'd be very dangerous. But nothing but a few ties are all that remain of this. But we'll keep walking down and see if we can find anything.
This pillar is knocked down though.
Yeah, so we just found a bridge here. There's a creek down there. But take a closer look at this. It's like an old bridge. It's pretty cool. All right. Wow, I'm gonna try to climb this, but oh shit. Whoa. Not really sure what this bridge could have been used for, but it is something of interest. So we're not sure if this was just all one big bridge or if all this stuff got washed out. We're still trying to figure that out, but we're gonna keep following this and we'll look for more answers. It's sad how we're guessing Conrail ripped up all this and left nothing behind. While we're going to the next spot on the Winton and Priceville branch, we found another old rail line over here. The Riverside branch, it was called. There's an old tie down there. And then it's completely abandoned, but it's just sitting here in this development. So we found the tracks again. They used to parallel the creek here. And let's see. This was probably some sort of walking crossing, and this is probably around where the tracks would have been. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next clip. Now this is an interesting piece of the railroad. This is where the Jessup branch met the Winton branch at the Troop landfill, which is just on the other side of that highway bridge that you could see there. This is in Dunmore under Route 380, and much of the track still remains here, and these tracks ran down to where the DL Pocono line is now.